Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this install on this beautiful ginger wig. So stay tuned, keep on watching. Today's wig is from Premium Lace Wigs. They sent me some goodies along with the wig and also this cute little beauty pouch. And of course, some adjustable straps and some clips, all of that. And here is a close-up of the wig before I colored it. It's this beautiful blonde color. It comes pre-plugged, which I love this lace as well. It's bomb when I installed it. And here is a close-up of the lace and the little combs that come with it. So here I have my blonde wig after air dried, and I colored it, and look at this color. It's so beautiful. It's perfect for the summer. Just give you a little pop of color. And I actually put some of this lip gloss, well, it's matte lipstick, in my eyebrows, which I didn't put too much, as you can see, but it lightened it up a lot. Forget about the eyebrows. Now we are going to get into installing this wig. I plucked it a little bit and we are gonna slay this, So first I'm gonna use my Got to Be glue. Y'all know how I do. We gotta get this laid properly and we need to keep our edges. So that's why we use Got to Be glue. I'm just gonna do a thin layer. If you plan on keeping your wig on for more than a couple of days, just do this step twice so you can have a thicker coat of glue. So make sure all the baby hairs are going backwards so it's not going to get into this glue, and just place the wig, and we want to get the placement right. We want it to be too far forward, so I usually measure my fingers. So if it's like 4 fingers, well, if I can fit 4 fingers on my forehead, then we're good to go. I'm just going to lift it just a tad bit. Then we're going to take our blow dry on the cool settings for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna take my scarf and we are gonna melt this lace. All right, it's been a little minute and I started working on my eyeshadow. So let's see how this lace is looking. Okay, so far so good. We just got a little bit of excess glue. We're just gonna wipe it off with a damp paper towel. So this wig laid very well. The lace is still transparent. That's what I love. I actually used some Got to Be glued on the frontal, like on the inside, so I can make sure that the lace doesn't change colors. And Got to Be glued, I'm telling you, they've been doing me justice. I do want to try that olive oil glue, because that's what a lot of people have been using as well. They've been promoting that. So it's kind of supposed to be like the same, or maybe even better. So if you guys are interested in seeing me try some different glue, just let me know. So y'all know how I do. I gotta get my mango wax butter. As you guys can see, this is gonna help lay the wig. So we're gonna do that first so it can be flat. Then we gotta get the hot comb. This is the most important piece of installing your wig. If you don't have a hot comb, can't stress it enough, you better go get you one. So I put too much freaking wax butter in there. Its color is showing towards the front, but once it dries a little bit more, we should be good. So we're just gonna add a few swoops here. gonna take some styling mousse, and we're just gonna use this to basically outline where we want the baby hairs to go, and then go back in with some glue. So here is the final look. Oh my gosh, I love this color. It just complements my skin tone so well. Let me show you guys the back. This wig is super cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. This wig has one of the best frontals I've seen on a 613 hair. Like, if you look close up, you cannot see anything. This lace is super transparent, and how I really got this look is I used my Got Sticky spray. I sprayed it all over the frontal before I dyed this wig and let it air dry, so that made sure that none of the dye got on this frontal, and it looks really good. Just put a few swoops here and some foundation in the parting space, so everything just matches my skin tone, and we are ready to slay for the day. Okay, so I believe this wig came like 14 inches, but I cut off, I would say, like 2 inches, so it's more like a 12-inch wig. I wanted to make sure that it just complemented my face really well, and sometimes the wigs you get, they're longer in the front, and I just don't like that. I like my bobs to be even all around. So I think I achieved that today. Tell me what you guys think about this color on me, and give me some comments, you know, give me some feedback, as well as like different colors you would like to see, or specific wigs that I can do for you guys. You know I got them. And stay tuned for my website, because I'm gonna be selling all of my wigs that I really don't wear, which is most of them. I usually try to wear my natural hair when I'm not doing reviews, but that's like hardly ever. But I got so many wigs for you guys, and they're customized, and they are well taken care of, because soon as I take off a wig, I wash it and put it up, so everything is just in place and it's just not getting raggedy, just sitting wherever. Like, all of my wigs are specifically organized in my stuff. Like, I'm gonna have to show you guys a video how I organize my stuff one day. Let me know if you guys want to see that as well. But back to this hair. I want to thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, please show your support. Give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, bye.